Welcome back to Crazy Bill's Garage, and today I am going to install some new headlight bulbs, LEDs, in my wife's Hyundai Elantra GT. Now, I got these on sale on Amazon. They were 50% off. Waixingren LED. I don't know how to pronounce that. Let me just... These little ones here are the high beams, which are, what are these? LED bulb. Well, what's the number of these things? I have no idea. Well, when I open them up. But the low beams are H11s. And that's those there in the bigger box. And those high beams are so tiny. But first I'm going to show you her bulbs before I begin to show you actually how terrible it is. They got these projection style headlights on them for the normal driving lights. The low beams, and on this car, they're horrible. It's just horrible with the halogen bulbs that are in it. So I'm hoping that the LEDs will make them pop a bit more, because you just can't see. You can't see. Could be the headlight, could be something wrong in there. Don't know. Gonna try LEDs and to see if it's okay. Well, I guess I'm going to have the key in the ignition to make them work. So, turn them on. Let's see. It says they're on now. Oh, yeah, they're on. And, yeah. These, I just don't like these. On my Honda has projection cell, bright as can be. These ones, not so great. Like, I don't know if it's shining on my hand and everything, but they just don't put light down the road. We'll try the high beams. So I've got the high beams on now. Like, the high beams are decent. They are decent. They're not terrible, but still, not great. So, yeah, it's time to switch them over and put something brighter in there. So, wow, they came with installation gloves. Oh, they got a little booklet and stuff here on them. That's kind of neat. Oh, there they are. Take one out and take a look at it. Oh, yeah, they got the fan on the back. Keep them cool. Pretty nice and simple. Made out of aluminum. That's kind of nice. And these ones, these ones are just... sorry, I need two hands. Yeah, and these ones... There's not much to these, is there? So, wow. Nice build quality on these, it looks, though. A lot better than some I've seen. Now, I did get these off of Amazon. Like I said, they were 50% off. When I got them. They're not now. I tried to buy some other ones for my other vehicles, and it was like maybe a one-day thing. So no, they're not on sale anymore. Dang it. And they're not super expensive, but they're, well, I can probably say they're made in China, as it seems like they are. And there's the number on the low beams. So let me install one side and we'll see how good that goes. So back to the old headlight bulbs. I'll bring you over here to... Now that does seem a bit brighter, doesn't it? I'm hoping it is, because that sure would help. Could probably clean these lenses pretty well too, but still, that does look a lot better than that dull mess there. Let me try the high beams. So back to this dullness here with the high beam to the much brighter high beam here. It's pretty good, I would say. It looks a lot brighter, a lot cleaner looking. I think the wife's going to enjoy this. And then back to that dullness compared to this brightness. So there we are. We're all in now. Everything's happy. Everything seems brighter, much brighter. I'm going to have to do some work on this headlight while I have some days off and get her sparkling again. But I could do that. And these are so much more brighter than the ones that were in it. Oh, the ones that were in it are... this one is an Osram from Germany, and this one the same. So it's the same. So they had Osrams in them, and yeah, they were working terrible actually. So much brighter now, so much better. Well, thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this. I'll try to get the part numbers on the description for these, and I'll hold on to these. I always hold on to everything. Everything I do, I hold on to. It's like, yeah, what if I buy a used car or something? Or I need lights and I don't have any. And then I got some lights holding on to. Oh, I didn't get to use the gloves that came with it. Darn it. Oh, well, I'll have to use those at a later date. All right, thanks for watching.